Hello and welcome to Feature program. In this program, we will show you how to resolve error code down your Daikin and conditioner. Itsmodel ABCDEFG. There are four solutions to this error code in case shortage of coolant and coolant clogging. Defective thermistor, Detective low pressure sensor, and detect outdoor ultimate PCB. And you have just learned how to resolve UO code for your washing machine. There are three precautions you should pay attention to. Firstly, you should adjust the base, stand, and all the fitting of the outdoor anti unit are not decayed or corroded. Secondly, you should check that nothing blocks the air into the outlets of the indoor unit and the outdoor unit. Thirdly, you ask a process technique to maintain your air conditioner every year. And finally, if you have any question, call me. My number is